Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share screen on Snapchat video call. And here's how it is done. Sharing your screen can be incredibly helpful for showing photos, videos, or browsing the web with friends and family during a video call. Here's how to do it. First, open the Snapchat app and navigate to the chat section. Select the person you want to share your screen with, and then tap the video call button in the top right corner to initiate a video call. Once the call is connected, look for the screen share button at the bottom right and tap it. Then select Start Broadcast. After a brief 3-second countdown, your screen will be shared with the person you are calling. Now you can easily navigate through your device, and the other person will see everything in real time. This feature is great for demonstrating how to use a new app, troubleshooting tech issues together, or sharing fun moments from your phone. To stop sharing your screen, simply tap Stop Sharing. Simply tap Stop Sharing. And that is everything you need to know about how to share screen on Snapchat video call. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.